Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you a simple and short video on how to wire up, or should I say solder up, an XLR cable. So what I have here is an old XLR cable which I found. So yeah, you see the connections. I mean, it's old, right? So I just recycle this stuff back. And I also got it's an old, yep, it's recycled too. It's just a female XLR here, so join up to this male XLR which I found in my storage somewhere, right? So yeah, so we're just gonna, I'm just gonna strip up the cable, and then I'll show you how to do this later. Yeah, I thought I just cut out all the old solder and all the old wires, so we have all the fresh solder on it, and all the remains, the old ones. I don't know how many years this cable has been, but yeah, just make everything new, right? Yeah, just cut this open and we'll start again. Actually, you don't have to remove the cloth. I mean, some of the cables have cloth inside. You don't have to remove it, but I just find it annoying, so I like to remove it. Just roll up all your cables, the wires together. Roll it up nice and clean. Alright guys, the next step is to thin your solder. Thin the wires. Alright, because this will make a good connection. A lot of people don't do this, and the cables will come out and wires or they have problems and so on. So once you thin the wires, there will be no problems at all. Okay guys, now you can see that the numbers there, right? Number 1, 2 and 3. So the ground wire, this one, always goes to number 1 no matter what. So usually red one goes to number 2 and the blue one number 3. Alright, but it might differ, so you gotta check out your old connection to determine which number it goes to. Oh man, I almost forget this, man. Anything that comes with the XLR head should go into the cable first. Yeah man, I mean, I've done the thousands of this, right? But then sometimes you forget to put it in, and then you have to open it up and do it again. So yeah, please remember to put in everything that comes with the head, all the backing and the cable grip and everything. Alright, so we do the ground first, alright? Because the ground is totally soldered, right? And it's very hot. So the rest is quite flexible, so we could shape it later on. Alright then, so all is done and soldered up. We just put everything together. Nice and tight. Okay guys, so this is the cable that I just made, and let's try it out. but I'm sure it will work because we just tested it out with a multimeter, right? And it works so far. I mean, it looks perfect on the multimeter. Usually it will work fine on this, right? No matter what. Okay, so now we will test it out. Test 1 2, test 1 2. Okay, the cable that I just did is perfect. It works great. It works fine and no noise or anything. You can hear from my voice here. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. Thanks for watching till the end, and please subscribe for future updates. I'll be having more videos, more how-tos and audio stuff and whatever stuff that I can think of. Alright, bye.